Why should you use bonuses beyond the typical number of plunges when clearing a stubborn drain? When a clog resists the standard set of plunges, adding extra plunges can change the flow dynamics inside the pipe and dislodge materials that short sequences do not move. Start by confirming a tight seal around the drain or toilet bowl. An imperfect seal vents pressure and makes additional plunges ineffective. Use steady rhythmical force rather than rapid jabs, because momentum helps shear and mobilize soft buildups like hair and grease while protecting seals and fixtures from shock. If you are working on a sink, block the overflow outlet with a wet rag so pressure is directed into the drain. For a toilet, ensure the plunger head fully covers the outlet and the bowl water level is sufficient to create a hydraulic piston. After each set of 10 additional plunges, check progress by slowly removing the plunger and running a small amount of water. If water backs up immediately, repeat another set of 10 to 20 with slightly increased force, but avoid excessive force that could damage older cast iron or lead solder joints. If plunging fails after repeated attempts, use a hand auger with a flexible head and rotate slowly while pushing to break up or retrieve the obstruction. Then flush again with running water and a mild enzymatic cleaner to reduce reformation. 3 common mistakes make bonus plunges less effective and waste time. First, people fail to achieve a proper seal and then add more plunges. Fix this by positioning the plunger squarely, masking gaps with a damp cloth, and ensuring enough water covers the plunger head. Second, too much aggressive force can damage fixtures or seals. Moderate the pressure, use consistent strokes, and replace the plunger with a bellows style for strong but controlled thrust when necessary. Third, users neglect to address multiple connected traps and vents that can prevent flow. Isolate the affected fixture, clear nearby traps if accessible, and if venting seems restricted, consider inspecting the roof vent or calling a professional for a safe roof access check. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who can follow these troubleshooting techniques or step in when problems escalate. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where we and other members share practical tips and real-world experience.